Donald Ayer served as Deputy Attorney General.
Here we go again. I appealed the ruling of the chair on a point of order. You cannot overlook that.
And Mr. Collins, you can't interrupt these proceedings, and the American people deserve to know the truth.
The House Judiciary Committee held a contentious hearing Wednesday
The gentleman will suspend.
over allegations U.S. Attorney General William Barr improperly meddled in investigations for political gain.
You cannot simply go over a point of order which has been repealed the ruling of the chair. And I'm speaking to you to gavel me down, but this is
rules don't matter in here, apparently.
The divided panel, led by Democratic Chairman Jerry Nadler, heard from witnesses who say the top law enforcement official in the country acted to benefit President Donald Trump.
I am here because I believe that William Barr poses the greatest threat in my lifetime to our rule of law and to public trust in it. That is because he does not believe in its core principle that no person is above the law.
As he delivered his opening statement, former Deputy Attorney General David Ayer was interrupted by several Republican members of the panel, including Representative Louis Gohmert of Texas, who complained that Ayer exceeded his allotted time and incessantly knocked on his desk to drown out his testimony.
Can I have one more sentence here?
By all means.
Okay.
Mr. Chairman, I would ask that the sergeant at arms be called upon to stop the disruption of this meeting. I can't hear this witness. This is a very important witness.
Yeah, well, he's way beyond
And the
his
chair
time.
has
And if
the
there are no
authority-
rules about when
the chair
people
has the
can
authority,
talk,
does
there's
he
no
not?
rules about when you can make noise.
Wednesday's tense hearing also featured testimony from current Justice Department employee Aaron Zielinski, a federal prosecutor who testified that his office was pressured from the highest levels of the DOJ to scale back its sentencing recommendation for Trump's longtime friend, Roger Stone.
What I saw was that Roger Stone was being treated differently from every other defendant. He received breaks that are, in my experience, unheard of.
Republicans on the panel, including Ranking Member Jim Jordan, criticized Zielinski, arguing he couldn't know if reducing the Stone sentencing was politically motivated because he never spoke directly to Barr.
So you didn't talk to any of the people who ultimately make these decisions, did you, Mr. Zielinski?
I requested to speak with the U.S. Attorney, but
I didn't ask you if you requested. I said, did you talk to him? You didn't talk to the Attorney General, didn't talk to the DAG, didn't talk to the U.S. Attorney.
Wednesday's hearing came at a time when Barr has come under growing scrutiny after he intervened in 2 prosecutions involving Trump allies, fired federal prosecutor Jeffrey Berman, whose office has investigated people close to Trump, and oversaw the use of force by federal law enforcement officers against peaceful protesters in Washington's Lafayette Square.
We have a real problem here.
And with less than 5 months before the election, Ayer said he feared Barr's alleged misbehavior would only get worse as November draws closer.
The drumbeat of his misbehavior is accelerating as we get closer to the election. I don't know what's next, but I'm scared to think about what it might be.
A Justice Department spokeswoman said on Wednesday that Barr himself will testify before the House Judiciary Committee on July 28th.